Good morning, class. Hope you are fine. Have you enjoyed your vacations? I hope that you have enjoyed your vacations. Are you done with your assignment? Today is your first online class after your winter vacations, so you have to take out your spoken English book. You have to open page number 35. Mention CW in short. Your topic is conversation over the telephone. Means when you are doing conversation talking on the telephone. Okay? Today we will do reading of this chapter and then you have to answer me the questions. Okay? Start reading. Tring, tring, tring. The telephone bell rings and Ansa picks up the phone. This is the sound of telephone. When the telephone bells ring, Ansa go and pick up the phone. Ansa, hello. Rida, hello Ansa. I am Rida on the line. Ansa pick up the phone and she said hello. Rida, hello Ansa. Now who is on the call? Rida is on the call. Rida said that I am on the line. Here I am. Ansa, oh hello. How are you? Look here in this picture. Ansa is sitting and she is holding a telephone, and on the phone Rida is calling to Ansa and she is asking that how are you? Okay? Rida, I am quite fine, but my granny is not well. She has been hospitalized in Nursery hospital. Now Rida is saying to Ansa that I am quite fine. I am fine, but my granny means grandmother. My grandmother is not well. She has been hospitalized. She is not fine and she is in hospital. Hospitalized means she is in hospital in Nishtar hospital. Rida is telling to Ansa that I am fine, but my grandmother is not fine and she is in Nishtar hospital. Ansa, that's sad. When did it happen? Now Ansa asked that it's so sad. When did this happen? Okay. Rida, yesterday only, while she was at home. Now Rida said to Ansa that yesterday when grandmother was at home, suddenly she felt that she was not feeling well. Ansa, uncle and auntie must be very busy then. Now Ansa said to Rida, that means if your grandmother is not fine, then your father and mother, who is uncle and aunt of Rida, they must be very busy. Rida, yes, Sansa, mummy and my aunt, that is my father's sister, are having a tough time as daddy is out of station on some official duty. Now Rida said to Ansa that yes, my mummy and my aunt. Here is aunt who is sister of Rida's father is busy with her grandmother. They are having very much tough time because they are keeping take care of her grandmother, so they are busy in hospital with grandmother, but daddy is out of station on some official duty. Daddy is out of station mean he is not in the city, he is on some official work. Okay. Ansa, oh, that's all the more difficult. Anyway, don't you worry at all. Now, Ansa said to Rida, oh, it would be very much difficult for you and for your family. But anyway, don't you worry at all. You please don't take stress or don't be worried about the health of your grandmother. Rida, Ansa, I am very sorry that I will not be able to attend your birthday party tomorrow in such condition. Now Rida said to Ansa that I am very sorry that I will not be able to attend your birthday party tomorrow as my grandmother is not fine. So it was birthday party of Ansa, but Rida was not able to attend her birthday party. Rida and Ansa are friends. Rida's grandmother is in hospital. That's why she is not able to attend the birthday party of Ansa. So they both are very sad because Ansa friend is not coming. Okay. Ansa, oh Rida dear, no need to feel bad about it. I can understand your problem, but I will definitely miss you and your jokes. Now, Rida said to Ansa that be relax and don't worry about the situation, and you are not in need of to feel bad. I understand your problem because your grandmother is not fine, so only I will miss you and your jokes. Okay, Rida, yes, dear. I hope grandmother will be fine soon. I will visit you as early as possible after she comes back home. Now, Rida said to Ansa that, yes, dear, I understand that you will miss me, but I promise you that when my grandmother will be fine and she will be home, then I will visit you. Okay? Ansa, don't worry. Have faith in God. He will set the thing right himself. Now, Ansa said to Rida that don't you take worry and be relaxed and faith in Allah and believe in Allah that He will do best for you and your family and for the health of your grandmother. Rida, thank you, Ansa. You are so sensible. Well, I have already bought gift for you. Now you have to look here in this picture. This is Rida sitting here and she is talking with Ansa. Here is a gift on the table. Look here. It's a gift for Ansa's birthday. Now Rida is saying to Ansa that I have already bought a gift for you. Okay, and here is the gift in this picture. Ansa, relax, Rida. Do tell me if I can help you in any way. Now, Ansa said to Rida that I am not in need of any gift. Be relaxed and said to me that if you are in need of any help, if I can help you. Okay, they are best friends, so she is saying to Rida that I am not in need of gift. I can understand your problem and tell me that if I can help you or not. Okay? Rida, yes, sure. Okay, Ansa, goodbye and congratulations for your birthday in advance. Now, the Rida said to Ansa that, okay, if I will feel any need of help, then I will inform you. Now, she said goodbye and wish her advance birthday. Ansa, goodbye, take care. Now, Ansa said that goodbye and take care of yourself and your grandmother. Now, we are done with the reading of this chapter. With the help of telephone, they did a lot of conversation. Rida informed about her grandmother health and she tell to her friend that her grandmother is hospitalized and she is not feeling well, and she tell to her friend that she will not be able to attend birthday party of Ansa, and she said sorry to her, and she also informed with the help of telephone that she has bought a present for her birthday party and she will send the birthday present and she will visit after her grandmother returned to home. With the help of telephone, they did all the conversation. So now we are done with reading and explanation, so you will send me your reading feedback. Now you have to give me answer of these questions. Okay, so your question number 1 is, how do telephone help us in our daily life? Here you have to write the uses of telephone in daily life. Where do the ill people go? Here is the second question. You will give me the answer of this question. Your question number 12 is, who are guests? Who are guests? Who is giving me answer? You have to give me answer orally after doing grading of chapter. Okay, then question number 4 is, what happened to the grandmother? Question number 5, write 5 good and 5 bad uses of a telephone. Here you will explain 5 good and 5 bad uses of telephone. After reading you will be able to give me answer of all these questions orally. Send me your reading voice tag and answer of given questions. Okay.